Welcome to Easy Art 47. Today I will be going to draw the Lord Narsimha, and it is the mythological story that connects with Holi. As the Holi goes on, it is the story of a demon king Hiranyakashipu who had his son Prahlad, and Prahlad was devoted to Lord Vishnu, and this upset the Prahlad father and the demon king, who were always against the god. So in order to make punish, he uses various torture method to kill his son. But when it was at the extreme, then Prahlad told that he can see Lord Vishnu in every corner of the house, in everything. So in order to make fun of him, the Prahlad father Hiranyakashipu said that, "Do you see Lord Vishnu in this pillar?" And then he broke the pillar, and as the Hiranyakashipu was very strong, he get the boon that no one could kill him, whether inside the house or outside the house, with hand, weapon, or with anything. He cannot be killed. He cannot be killed in the day, evening, night, or even in the noon. But when it is extreme, the Lord Vishnu take the avatar of Narsimha, that is half lion and half man, and he come out through the pillar and took the Hiranyakashipu on his land and on his lap, and tear him away on the brink of the door. And it is the very interesting story. You, when you will see, you know that it's very difficult to kill the Hiranyakashipu, and as he was blessed that he cannot be killed with any weapon, nor animal, nor man, nor any weapon. He cannot be killed inside the house or outside the house, in the day, evening, noon, and the night, with hand or with the weapon. So what did the with man or animal or with any other thing? So that's why Lord Vishnu take the incarnation as Lord Narsimha, the half face and body of half man and half animal, that is the tiger or the lion. And then he took the Hiranyakashipu on his lap, and in the dusk time, whether it is not the day, not the noon, not the evening, it's in the middle, and he took him on the very edge of his house, and he uses his claws or the finger to tear him apart, as he did not use any weapon or anything, and he was neither man nor completely animal. So therefore Hiranyakashipu died, and this is the illustration I was trying to make. And this illustration I was making in the very unique and geometric style. I hope you like it. As you can see, now I will be creating the other part or the torso for the Hiranyakashipu, and as you will see that I have created that, and when I will turn this onto the computer screen, you will see the reference and how much I have tried to match. You will see that, and it's sometimes it's very difficult to get the thing done, but it's even more difficult to explain the thing as how it work. And I hope that you will all like the mythological stories, and as in the trend it's suggested that draw some mythological stories, so I choose this Narsimha avatar and the Hiranyakashipu. As you can see, here is the illustration, and here is me. Thank you guys for watching the video. Thank you.